Actually, I have a class, so can I leave 10 minutes before?
Okay, you can do better. Which class you have after this?
Ma'am, dance.
Okay, never mind, you can leave. Okay, so I'm just waiting for a few more to join in. Okay, till where we had done? Till where we had, did we finish the chapter? Hello, Sritej, Adrit.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute, my battery is low.
Okay. I guess we had finished the chapter, I think so.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. Okay, let's start. Time is 6:53. Okay, we'll wait for 2 more minutes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Siddhant.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, there's a question in my textbook that says the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees above zero. If it increases at the rate of 2 degrees per hour until midnight, what time would the temperature be 8 degrees below zero? What would the temperature be at midnight?
You have this question in your exercise.
I did the same question like in a. I first of all I also had a doubt there, but what I did is I just imagined like not imagined. I drew a what we call that a lumber line, and the lumber line I did all those.
Okay, I'll explain you. Don't worry. You have this question. Did we do the last exercise? Have we done division of integers? Are we done with division of integers, children? कहाँ तक किया था हमने last class में?
Ma'am,
We should
exercise
start division
1.3.
of
Which one? 1 point?
Ma'am, which exercise are you saying?
Till where did we do in the last class? Let me check on the screen. Let me share the screen. Okay. This is so this was additive inverse and all. Okay, let's see the chapter. Have you done this exercise 1.4?
No,
No,
ma'am.
no, no. You have done 1.3. You have
Yes,
done
ma'am.
this one
Yes.
exercise.
Ma'am,
He sells gray cement bags, white cement bag question.
ma'am, in my textbook, there's just three exercises.
There are four exercises, better because you have another last property division of integers. Okay, so we'll do this also. Did we do anything of this property in the previous class?
Ma'am, you said that you'll clear my doubt, the temperature at 12 noon.
I'll clear your doubt. I'm coming to that only. See, you have this question as question number 5 in your exercise 1.4. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees above zero. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees per hour till midnight, at what time would the temperature be at 8 degrees below zero? What would be the temperature at midnight? This was your question, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll come to this. We will do this. तो अभी मैं सबसे पहले चलो वही क्वेश्चन आपका क्लियर कर देती हूँ ठीक है लेट्स डू दैट so let me clean the page first थोड़ा इसको clean out करें let's keep some space for writing here okay everyone please read the question number 5 and try to understand read question number 5 in your mind okay now look here split page and others also please pay attention. Okay, now see, the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero. Okay,
Ma'am, it will be plus 10, right?
हाँ, it will be plus 10. पहले आप picture से understand करिए. ठीक है? Things become very clear when you have picture in your mind. Okay, this is 1, 2. ऐसे ही आपका clock चलता है 4, 5, then you have 7, then you have 8, then 10, 11. Right?
Yes,
Okay. Now it's saying the temperature at 12 noon यानी कि दोपहर के 12 बजे the temperature was 10 degrees Celsius. Okay. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees. Okay. अब आप पहले पिक्चर से समझ लो then we'll do like that. Now per hour 2 degrees per hour that means in every 1 hour it is decreasing by 2 degrees. Okay, so if at noon it was 10, that means at 1 o'clock it will be 8 degrees, isn't that? And at 2 o'clock it will be 6 degrees. Then here 4 degrees it will be. Then here 2 degrees. Then here 0 degrees. यहाँ पे -2 degrees होगा यहाँ -4 degrees होगा -6 degrees -8 degrees. So what is the temperature when it is saying at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees below zero? 8 degree below zero. This was the zero level. So 8 degree below zero, that means we have reached at 9 o'clock. Okay. At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees? 8 degree कब आएगा temperature? 9 o'clock पे जब हम 9 o'clock पे needle आएगी आपकी right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now अभी इसी चीज को आपको मैंने यहाँ picture से explain किया. Now the same thing I will explain you like this. How to write. Okay, now see the temperature is 10 degrees. Okay, now it is saying the temperature is falling -2 degrees. ठीक है, -2 degree temperature fall हो रहा है. Okay, and the final temperature जब when you are finally reaching is -8 degrees. तो जब आप -8 degrees, the final temperature is 8 degrees below zero. 8 degrees below zero means it is -8 degrees. Okay, that means what is the temperature difference between 10 degrees and -8 degrees? डिफरेंस निकालना है उनके बीच में, दैट मीन्स माइनस. So 10 minus minus of 8 will be 10 plus 8, that is 18 degrees. Okay, this much is the temperature difference, Ritesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Others are also understanding. Okay, now we know that since in every 1 hour the temperature is dropping by 2 degrees. So that means if we divide this by 2, we will get 9. That means at 9 hours, the temperature is becoming minus 8 degrees. So this is how we got. और यहाँ पे भी हमने पिक्चर में देख लिया था.
Ma'am, I understood.
You understood this, everyone? I hope it's more clear with the picture, isn't that?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, चलो now see the next part of the question. What would be the temperature at midnight? अब midnight यानी कि रात दोपहर के 12 बजे से लेके रात के 12 बजे तक is the midnight time. Okay, this 12 o'clock is the midnight था. अब यहाँ पे -8 है, तो यहाँ पे और 2 डिग्रीज ड्रॉप हुआ टेम्परेचर, देन इट बिकेम -10 डिग्रीज. यहाँ पे और 2 डिग्रीज ड्रॉप हुआ, इट बिकेम -12 डिग्रीज. और जब 12 पे नीडल पहुंची तो यहाँ और टेम्परेचर ड्रॉप हुआ, इट बिकेम -14 डिग्रीज. इज इट? तो मिडनाइट में टेम्परेचर कितना हो गया? -14 डिग्रीज. गॉट इट रितेश?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. एंड सेम थिंग, हाउ विल यू सॉल्व हियर? हर चीज को आप ऐसे 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 तो नहीं बता सकते ना, -2 डिग्री, -2 डिग्री, -2 डिग्री, है ना? यू कैन नॉट एक्सप्लेन दैट. So this was just I was explaining you, but for writing purpose, what will be the temperature at midnight? So midnight temperature क्या होगा आपका? How will you do this? That means from 12 noon to midnight is 12 hours. ठीक है? Okay? And then what? Okay. So 12 noon से लेके यहाँ तक जो है टाइम हुआ, that is 12 hours. तो 12 hours में क्या हो रहा है? 12 degrees into minus, wait a second, wait a second. Okay. See here, the difference in time from 12 noon to midnight is 12 hours, right? 12 hours का difference है. Change in temperature in 12 hours. अब 12 hours में कितना temperature change हुआ है? 2 hours. So that is 12 degrees into -2. It is -24 degrees. Yes, 12, not 12 degrees, 12 hours into -2. That is -24 degrees. Okay. और टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस कितना था? 10 प्लस -24. 10 डिग्रीज तो नून में था टेम्परेचर, एंड नाउ द टेम्परेचर इज इन द 12 midnight. So that is 10 plus minus of 24. Then you get 10 minus 24, which is equal to -14 degrees. Okay.
Ma'am, I understood.
हाँ. तो 12 आवर्स में कितना टोटल टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस हुआ? 12 आवर में -2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, दैट मीन्स दिस मच वाज द टोटल टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस. और डिफरेंस कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ? फ्रॉम 10 डिग्री से स्टार्ट हुआ था ना. फ्रॉम 10 डिग्री से ड्रॉप डाउन -24 डिग्री. तो उतना उतना हम इसमें वी विल ऐड इट एंड वी विल गेट आवर आंसर. ओके,
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड? Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
have we done the division property?
Mm,
No,
no, ma'am.
no, ma'am.
ठीक है, चलो थोड़ा सा डिवीजन प्रॉपर्टी देख लेते हैं, देन विल कम टू दिस एक्सरसाइज 1.2. अरे कहाँ चली गई? बहुत दूर हो जाती है एक्सरसाइज. ये रही. ओके. कम टू द पेज. Okay, now let's see the division property. Property of division of integers. We have done multiplication, addition, subtraction, सब कर लिया. Now the last property is now division. Division मुझे लगता है हमने कर लिया है. Yeah. Okay. Just a second. Okay. Properties of properties of division of integers. Who is this? 12 chats from the question it is given. This is this. Oh, did you copy and pasted it from Google? No, then what is this? Hello. Okay, properties of division of integers now. Okay. Now let's talk about, okay, integers are not closed over, okay, integers are not closed under division. Why? चलो भाई देखते हैं. Now suppose if I have two integers, say 8 divided by 3. Okay, then what will be my answer? Will I get some proper answer here? Will I get some integer here if I divide 8 by 3? I've just taken an example here. 3 twos will be 6. Arey no. अब तो decimal point आ गया. So this is, that means this is not an integer.
Yes, ma'am.
Not an integer हो गया ये तो भाई.
Yes.
Let's take some more. If I take 8 divided by 6, so what will this be? 2 से चला जाएगा. 2 का,
Ma'am, 4/3.
हाँ,
We will get
हाँ, तो रैशनल नंबर मिल गया है ना. 2 3 से 2 4 हो गया. सो वी गेट 4/3. ये भी इंटीजर तो है नहीं. सो दिस इज आल्सो नॉट एन इंटीजर. ठीक है. इफ आई टेक 8/2, will this be an integer? 2 2 4. So this is an
yes.
integer. So this is an integer.
I
Okay.
heard of it.
Yes, ask.
Actually, like, can decimal numbers be integer?
What happened?
Ma'am,
Rational
can,
number.
ma'am, no. Can decimal numbers be integer?
हाँ, डेसिमल नंबर इज नॉट एन इंटीजर बेटा. इंटीजर्स वो होते हैं 0 से स्टार्ट होके 1 2 3 द मेन प्रॉपर नंबर्स. ओके. -1 -2 -3. ओके. 2.6 इज नॉट एन इंटीजर. वो क्या है? वो एक फ्रैक्शनल नंबर है. ठीक है. जैसे 4/3, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ फ्रैक्शन. ये p/q फॉर्म में ना, दिस इज अ फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म. ओके. So even, and ये क्या है? ये भी एक डेसिमल फॉर्म ऑफ राइटिंग है, बट दिस नंबर इज एक्चुअली अ फ्रैक्शन p/q फॉर्म में, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट गेटिंग रिमाइंडर 0. ठीक है. इंटीजर वो होंगे जहां पे हम डिवाइड करके वी गेट अ रिमाइंडर 0, बट इन दिस केस वी डोंट गेट रिमाइंडर 0. सो दिस इज नॉट एन इंटीजर. ओके. ओके. चार्विक, चार्विक, you understood?
Okay, ma'am.
So suppose if I take 24/7, so does 24 comes in the table of 7? No, it does not. No. तो यानी कि रिमाइंडर 0 तो आएगा ही नहीं. So this means this is not an integer. Okay, so this shows that division of integers is not closed. Okay, is not, does not hold true. Division of integers does not hold true.
Now it means that like any number, and if a number is if divided by another number and the answer is instead in a fractional form or
हाँ,
decimal form, it's
it
not an
can,
integer.
yes, it can be a integer also. See, here we got integer also, but we got so many cases where it was not an integer, right? So it can
Yes.
be an integer, it cannot be an integer. That means division is not really closed under for integers. Okay, this does
Yep.
not hold true for integers. True तो वही होगा ना जो, if it applies for every kind of number. ठीक है. Okay. Now see, now it's saying division is also not commutative. If we divide, commutative means if you just change the order, A divided by B equals to B divided by A. Is that equal? If you do like this, will that be equal? No. कभी हो ही नहीं होगा. करके देखो. Suppose if you have 4 divided by 2, will that be equal to 2 divided by 4? नो, इट विल नॉट बी इक्वल टू, ये तो 2 हो जाएगा और ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये 1/2 हो जाएगा. सो इज 2 and 1/2 इक्वल? नो, ये 2 है, ये हाफ है. Okay, so division of integers does not hold true in case of commutativity also. So इसमें commutative property also does not hold true, right?
Ma'am, so you mean that like division of the integer is not applicable for closure and commutator?
Yes, it's not
Okay.
closed for closure and commutative. Okay,
Okay.
अब दूसरा कुछ देख लेते हैं. Let's see for associative also. है? एक बार हम associative में भी check कर लेते हैं. Let's check associativity. एक बार एसोसिएटिविटी चेक करते हैं. इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल टेक 3 इंटीजर्स, है ना. एसोसिएटिव में वी ऑलवेज हैव लाइक दिस, a divided by b divided by c, like this. So अब ये डिवीजन कहता है कि दिस इज नॉट इक्वल. ये तो हमें देखने से ही लग रहा है कि दिस विल नॉट बी इक्वल. ठीक है, क्योंकि जब कॉम्यूटेटिविटी प्रूव नहीं हुई है तो दिस कैन ऑल्सो बी नॉट प्रूव. ठीक है, चलो इसमें भी हम देख लेते हैं. लेट्स टेक सम एग्जांपल. इसमें कोई भी हम एग्जांपल डाल के देख लेते हैं. लेट ए बी 1. आप ट्राई करो इसको. लेट ए बी 1 2 and c is 3. Just put 3 numbers here, these 3 numbers here, and check whether you are getting left hand side equal to right hand side. नहीं मिलेगा वो, we know that, but just verify it. Do that. Do it, try. एक बार ये ट्राई करिए. 1 divided by 2 divided by 3 is not, you have to prove this. This is already given to you.
Ma'am, actually, I had a doubt here.
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, I have 3 numbers. So, can you do it for me, ma'am?
Okay,
Actually, I took the value of x as -6.
okay, x. In this,
As -6.
in this property you want to put
Yes,
associate.
ma'am. This property only.
So what is x? So
Ma'am,
what is
x is
a? First tell me.
-6.
First tell me a. What is a? Tell
Ma'am,
me
-6.
-6. Okay, a is -6. Then what is b?
Ma'am, b is 3
3. Okay,
and c is 1.
c is 1. Okay.
I got it correct, ma'am, because I got it that these
C
two
is,
numbers were equal.
see, if C is 1, then you will definitely get it equal. बस it says unless C is 1. क्योंकि C अगर 1 हो जाएगा denominator में, if you have anything as 1, so then the numerators can be equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. हाँ. So इसमें एक condition और apply होती है, unless C is equal, not equal to C, unless C is equal to 1. Okay. Okay.
Actually, division of integers
हाँ.
is not associative.
So this is another condition that applies in case of division, associativity in division, that unless C is 1. Okay, if C is 1, then you will get it equal. But if C is not equal to 1, then you will not get. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. तो क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर जब 1 हो जाएगा तो न्यूमिनेटर कैन बी जस्ट रिटन एज अ रैशनल नंबर ओनली, an integer only.
हाँ, ma'am.
Okay.
ठीक है. Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. Okay, so let's do now. Coming to the exercise part. Now we had done these 3 properties over division. Okay. It's not, divisions are not closed, divisions are not commutative, divisions are not associative. Okay. Unless we have C equal to 1. जब हमारे पास C equal to 1 होगा, then it can be equal, otherwise it is not equal.
Ma'am, B is equals to 1.
Which one? B equal to 1
If B
का
is equals to
हाँ, B का कोई फर्क नहीं है, because C such that it was coming in the denominator part. Okay. Okay.
okay.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
let's come to exercise 1.4 now. Okay, let's do this question. Please solve this. Minus solve. Minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus minus 1. Do this. First solve the brackets. Okay, Bodmer's rule yaad hai? You always solve the bracket first.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am is equals to 1.
This is, you got your answer? It's equal to 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children, do the next. So,
Yes.
it's like this. Bracket over, and this is minus 6 plus 5. Then you have the divide sign. Then you have minus 2 plus 1. Like this. Do this.
Ma'am, 1.
Okay. Others also give your answers. Are all others?
I got a 1.
Okay. Okay. Now simplify this. 36 minus, then you have a big bracket here. Then 18 minus, then you have the second bracket. 14 minus, then you have the small bracket. 15 minus 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 2. Try this if you can do.
I mean, these type of questions basically I get confused, ma'am. But like, which bracket should we solve first? I don't know.
See, always when you have these type of things, you must always solve this first bracket. Okay. This is the second bracket. First, you must solve this bracket first. Then this is the second bracket you must solve. Then you must solve the third bracket. This. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All right.
All right.
Ma'am, it is getting in decimal form.
Which one, beta? Which question, Ashwat? Which question are you talking about? This one? Simplify. I'm just naming the questions. 1, 2, 3. Which question now? Hello.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, second one.
Second one. Okay, you want me to solve this? Second
Ma'am,
one?
is the second one 29.25?
No, it won't come in decimals, beta. It won't come in decimals. It will be integers.
Ma'am, first you told you should Do the
Yes, ma'am.
small bracket. 2
Ma'am,
into
15
2 is
minus
equals
4
to
is 11,
4
ma'am.
Okay, let me.
minus
Okay, I will show you.
4 divided by 11.
I'll show you.
Ma'am, I got 29.25.
Maybe
Same,
decimal
ma'am.
होना चाहिए. Decimal shouldn't be there. Okay, look here. See here. 2 multiplied by 2. See, when you have 2 multiplied by 2, so this becomes one term itself. Okay? ये क्या है? ये सिर्फ एक फोर नंबर था which has been split into 2 into 2. Okay? All right?
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
This was number 4 only which has been split into 2 into 2, 4. This. Okay? So just multiply these two together. Okay? So 15 minus 4 divided by 4. So when 4 divided by 4 is, that means you have 1. So 15 minus 4 becomes 14. 15 minus 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Are you understanding? ये देखिए चलो मैं look here. 18 minus 14 minus 15 minus 4 divided by 4 is 1. Right? Okay. Then our next step will be 18 here. हम एक एक ब्रैकेट खोलते खोलते हम बाहर आते जा रहे हैं. 15 minus 1 is 14. Okay. So one bracket is gone. Then 36 minus 18 minus 14 minus 14 is 0 now. Another bracket is also gone. Then we have 18 minus 0 is 18 only. So we have 36 minus 18. So 36 minus 18 is 18 only. Yes, Nitish, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Others also, have you all understood this? Others, children?
Yes,
Ashwat, Adrit, Siddhant, Charvik,
ma'am. Can you
Aishwarya.
explain me
Aishwarya,
again? Actually, I went for charging my laptop, ma'am. Again, explain me.
see, we kept on opening the brackets. What did we do first? First, we had, see, I told you this is number 4 only, which has been just split into 2 like this. So we multiply this together. 4 divided by 4, you get 1.
1.
It becomes 15 minus 1 inside the bracket. And then when we solve this bracket, 15 minus 1 becomes 14. Okay, now the first bracket is gone. Now we have 14 minus 14. 14 minus 14 is 0. So 18 minus 0 is 18. So 36 minus 18 becomes 18. Got it, Siddhant? We kept on opening the brackets. Okay?
Ma'am, can you scroll a bit? I'll just copy that question.
Okay. Okay. Please do this one also. Next one. Do this also, children. Question number 3.
I have it.
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, so 15 minus 4 divided 2 into 2. So we have to use the BODMAS rule, right?
See, BODMAS is okay. But what here is that this is 2 into 2. This is actually number 4 only, which has been just split like this. Okay. So if I do 4 divided by 4, you give me 1. Okay. Huh. What you are doing is you might maybe thinking like this 4 divided by 2 will give you 2 here, then 2 into 2 will give you 4, then 15 minus 4 will be 11, like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Why I have
Ma'am,
taken
I
this?
got third answer as 36.
Okay, 36. Let's check with others also. Are all getting 36 for this? Please check, give your answers. Why I did 2 into 2 in the 4? Because I saw that this is जब भी हमारे पास में मल्टीप्लाई वाला टर्म होता है मल्टीप्लाई हम operations whenever we are doing operations we just differentiate between the terms when we have plus minus and divide signs. लेकिन जब हमारे पास मल्टीप्लाई होता है then multiply sign keeps the numbers together. Okay, so that's how when I multiplied 2 into 2 this gave me 4. All right, and I considered this whole thing as one term. Okay,
Okay.
Hamza is quiet. Why Hamza?
Ma'am,
You're very quiet today, not responding anything, huh?
I'm taking notes, that's why.
Of course, you are taking notes, but you have to speak up something. If I'm saying yes, you understood, then say yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, what's the third answer?
Ma'am, for the third answer, I got 36.
36.
Okay. Mitesh has also got 36. Rest others also got 36. Same answer.
Yes, ma'am, 36.
Yes, mom.
Great. So that means that's correct. Okay. So with this, I think, okay, we have exercise 1.4 here. These were some questions that we were discussing, and we have some statement sums also, right, in this exercise. So tomorrow we'll complete the exercise and we'll start some new chapter also then, because this is very little left. Okay, we have practiced some few questions of this type, and now we will do this question. We have done fifth one, we have done. We just have sixth and seventh one left. So just two questions are left in this. Then we'll move to the next question, chapter tomorrow. Okay. Okay, children. Your next chapter is fractions and decimals. And for this weekly test, no, the Sunday test will have subjective test on integers. Right? So start preparing. All right,
Ma'am,
children.
subjective test on?
Integers.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, when we have that?
Sunday. It starts on Saturday and ends on Sunday. Saturday 5 to Sunday 5 p.m. Saturday 5 p.m. to Sunday 5 p.m.
Okay.
I have given the syllabus in the group. Did you see that? See the syllabus I've sent you. Okay, it's chapter integers, subjective test. Okay. Any doubts in this? Any doubts that we did today? Any child, any doubts? Anything that you want not only did today, but even before anything that we have done in previous class? Go through the chapter. Okay, still we have tomorrow. You can ask. All right.
All right, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, children. Please practice.
Is a toilet stronger than G-Man? That's attacking him because I did not do it.
What happened?
And then even the toilets can speak now. Even
Who is this?
My brother. I forgot to mute.
Okay, children, you must practice the examples of the textbook. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.